Share HPE7-A07 Real Questions to practice online for best preparation. 1. A client connecting to a tunneled open network is receiving the wrong VLAN. Your customer has a gateway and has sent over a packet capture from a switch port mirror taken from the upstream switch with a packet capture from the IPsec tunnel and the GRE tunnel to help identify the VLAN being sent from the controller to the AP. Where will you see the VLAN assignment? A. The GRE tunnel will include the VLAN lag assignment. B. VLAN tag assignment when not he captured in any of the packet captures. C. IPsec tunnel will include the VLAN tag assignment. D. VLAN tag assignment when be included in the port mirror. Answer: D. 2. After onboarding 3 new AOS 10 gateways using the full setup method into the same central group, a customer cannot log into one of the gateways using the HPE Aruba networking central remote console due to an incorrect password. A. The admin password created using full setup does not match the global central admin password. B. The admin password created during the run setup process is not configured to allow me remote console access. C. The admin password created during the full setup process does not match the central group admin password. D. The admin password created at the central group level has expired. Answer: C. 3. Which statements accurately describe OSPF graceful restart, when the restarting router is able to keep its forwarding tables across the restart? Select 2. A. The GR helper role is supported on AOXCX 6100 switches. B. VSF failover and graceful restart require a VSF secondary member in the VSF stack. C. Bidirectional forwarding detection for OSPF and GR are mutually exclusive features. DOSPF routers listen for grace LSAs on each network segment where there is an OSFP adjacency. E. You must ensure your VSF stack has a secondary member when acting as a GR helper. Answer: A, D. 4. A network technician racked up 9,240 mobility gateways in a single cluster that will be terminating 1,700 APs in a medium-sized branch office next. The technician cabled the gateways with 2 SFP28 direct attach copper DAC cables, distributed between a 2-member core switching stack and powered them up. What must the network administrator do next regarding the gateway configuration to ensure maximum wired bandwidth utilization? A. Map 2 physical ports to a port channel on each gateway. B. Make an ports trunk interfaces and permit data VLANs. C. Disable the spanning tree and allocate unique VLANs to each port. D. Manually set 25 gigabits per second speeds on all ports. Answer: A. 5. You recently added ClearPass as an authentication server to an HPE Aruba networking central group. Radius authentication with local user roles, LUR, works fine. Out the same access points cannot use downloadable user roles, DUR. What should he corrected in this configuration to FA the issue with DUR? A. Add a new enforcement policy of type WebAuth, on ClearPass and associate it with the matching service on ClearPass. B. Add the correct IP addresses or IP subnets of the network access devices, NADs, under the Devices tab in ClearPass. C. Replace the app's expiry digital certificate using the crypto PKI import PEM server cert command. D. Add the correct values for CPPM username and CPPM password. M. The authentication server configuration on HPE Aruba Networking Central. Answer B. 6. You are testing the use of the automated port access role configuration process using RADSEC authentication over VXLAN. During your testing you observed that the RADSEC connection will fan during the digital certificate exchange. What would be the cause of this issue? A. The RADSEC server was defined on the switch using an IPv6 address that was unreachable. B. Tracking mode was set to dead only, and the RADSEC server was marked as unreachable. C. The switch is configured to establish a TLS connection with a proxy server, not the Radius server. D. The Radius TCP packets are being dropped and the TLS tunnel is not established. Answer D. 7. A customer would like to allow their IT help desk to configure LOT devices to connect low a single SSID using a unique PSK that other devices cannot use. Which solution would you recommend? A. MPSK-AES with MAC auth. B. MPSK local. C. MPSK-AES with cloud auth. D. MPSK-AES with ClearPass. Answer D. 8. An OSPF router has learned a PAN 10 an external network by DITH an E1 and an E2 advertisement. Both routes have the same path cost. Which path will the router prefer? A. The router will prefer the E1 path. B. The router will use DITH paths equally utilizing ECMP. C. The router will prefer the E2 path. D. Both routes will be suppressed until the path conflict has been resolved. Answer A. 9. You deployed UBT to securely tunnel traffic from user desktop PCs connected behind VoIP phones. All other non-UBT DENS are connected to a different network. After the deployment, users reported interruptions low their phone service. A. The VLAN on which UBT clients are placed is not configured on the switch uplink and traffic from the VoIP phones is being dropped. B. You failed to correctly configure a user-defined VRF to support the UBT clients behind the VoIP phones, causing traffic to drop. C. Broadcast, multicast packets are copied to both the tunnel and locally, causing duplicate packets and network instability. D. The UBT client broadcast, multicast packets returned to the same switch port and corrupted the phone's IMC table. Answer A. 10. An Acme company employee complained about a recent poor quality VoIP call while moving around their office environment. HPE Aruba Networking Central reported a fair UCC score for this call, while your VoIP engineer reported that their systems reported a MOS of 2.3. The VoIP devices are operating over the 5 GHz frequency band. What are the possible contributing factors? Select 2. A. Coverage. AP deployment plans generally don't support enough cell overlap for VoIP. B802.TR is enabled in the WLAN security settings. C. There was localized interference at the caller's location. D802.1K is disabled in the WLAN security settings. E. The client roamed into an area that continuously operates Zigbee. Answer: AE.